All right, let's get started on this song. First thing you want to do is go to the primo and go to the chopped section. And we're going to learn this in parts. We'll start with the first 4 measures. Second, I'll show you the second 4 measures, third 4 measures, and then finally the last one. And then we will put all of these together. And that is all of section A. Later, you have to learn section B, and it'll be the same thing. We'll do it in 4 measures at a time, and you will have the entire song learned. So it's really easy, really fast. Let's go ahead and start with this first section. Also, one thing you want to be very, very careful of is to get the right finger. So many people can never get it up to speed because they're not careful with their technique and which fingers they use. Just to give you an example, this part needs to be really fast. This part, this part. So let's take a look first at the fingering for this first section. We're going to start here with 5 times you'll do right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 5, and then you'll stop and do 3, 4, 3, 2, cross under to the 1. You'll cross over and do the 4, 2. Let's try that one again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 and a thumb, cross over. Okay, work on that until you get it really, really good. The one thing that I would mention is to make sure that your left hand is up closer to the keys here. The right hand is closer to your body. Right, left, right, left. Okay, get that, and then let's take a look at the next section. Let's take a look at this section and try to make it easy. It goes like this. Let me do that slow motion for you so you can see which hand plays where and what fingers. So we go right, did you notice where my right hand switched places? So let's do it again and I'll talk through it. We go right, left, and then you do 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, left, right, 2, 1, 3. This is where we have to do a switch to get this hand under. You can start on top, right, switching places, and then the left hand, 2, 4. All right, learn that one. And let's go next to measures 11 through 14. All right, this section is very close to the same as the first section. We'll do it with the left hand down here, the right hand closer to you. And instead of doing 5 of those counts, it'll be 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you do the same thing, which is 3, 4, 3, 2, cross under to 1. Cross over the top, and this time you add the E here, and then on the top you'll do, and that's it. Let me slow that down for you and talk you through it. There's 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4. Practice that section, and then let's move to the final section. All right, let's take a look at the last section fast, and then I'll slow it down for you. All right, slow motion, here we go. Start with the 4th finger on D, and then the 3rd finger on C. Now this is tricky. You play the 2, 1, cross over to the 2, the 4, and then 3, 1, switch to the left hand. Then start the scale with the fourth finger. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, cross over to the 2, 4, 3. Practice that over and over, and then you have the entire A section done. Now that you know the A section, the next part is actually the exact same thing repeated exactly the same, just a little faster. Now the B section is what's next. All right, let's take a look at it in slow motion. Put your third finger on D, play the second finger on the sharp, and then cross under to the thumb on D. Walk up to the F and come back down. Now we're gonna pick our hand up and move it over to the third finger on E, step down, step back up, and finish that. Go ahead and practice that line until you have it perfect. Let's look at the next line. First, I'll play it fast, and then I'll slow it down for you. All right, let's look at the fingering. Put the third finger on the B. We do the exact same pattern with the second finger on the sharp, cross back under to the thumb. Walk up and back. Now you play your second finger on the C, skip, skip back, third finger on the E, and the pinky on the A, and right back down with the same fingering. The third line is almost exactly the same as the first line, except for the last note. And that's the only change. I'll slow that down for you. Let's play the third finger on D, go to the second finger on the C sharp, cross under to the thumb. Walk up and back down. Lift your hand up, move it to the E, and then the pinky on A. Finally, let's learn the last line. I'll play it fast. Now let's slow it down. Place your third finger on D, skip up, use the 4, 2, and then 3, 1. We ran out of fingers, so we just cross over to the 2 finger on that staccato. And then we move up to the E, and then the C and the A with your pinky and your thumb. Put all 4 of those together and you have the entire song done.